Hey, you guys, it's your girl Snow Gotti. You know what's going on. You know exactly what time it is. I put these crimps in. I pre-prepped this wig so much because I'm putting it on myself. And I only, when I do certain styles, waves, curls, or whatever, I like to complete the back first before I get to the top because I don't like installing my wig and then I have all of this work to do on top of the install. So pretty much when I glue my wig on, I'm pretty much wanting to be on the way out the door. Just a little curl here, curl there, and that's it. It takes me forever to get ready. I just wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of these curls, these crimps. These are one of my signature styles I have been wearing my whole life. Most of the things that I wear, I've been wearing my whole life, but in the adult version, and I love them. I like my crimps fried hard. Very big wave. If you can see that. Very big, deep wave. So I'm going to show you the rest after I get dressed and it is done. Holler at me later.